They don't know the silent battles you fight. They don't know how many times you've smiled while your heart was breaking inside. You've spent your entire life trying to fit into a world that only loves you when you are useful to them. You've bled for people who forgot your sacrifices the moment you stopped serving them. If you are tired of being a background character in a life that belongs to you, it is time to do the hardest thing possible. It is time to become a ghost. Disappearing for 6 months isn't about running away. It is about entering the darkness so you can finally see your own light. It is about saving your life before the world completely destroys it. Here are the 10 brutal rules of going ghost mode to rebuild your soul. Rule number 1, the digital burial. Kill the social media apps. Stop watching everyone else celebrate their fake victories while you suffocate in reality. Disconnect from the noise. Let the digital world think you died, so your real self can finally breathe. Rule number 2, burn the bridges of drama. Quietly walk away from friends who only know you when they need something. Stop responding to the gossip, the late night parties, and the fake smiles. If they don't help your roots grow, let them wonder where you went. Rule number 3, weaponize your loneliness. The average person runs from isolation because they are terrified of their own thoughts. Do the opposite. Embrace the heavy silence of the night. Let the loneliness become the fire that melts away your weaknesses. Rule number 4, bleed your truth onto paper. Open a journal every night. Don't write down a checklist. Write down your unhealed trauma, your fears, and your broken dreams. To rebuild a broken empire, you must first look at the ruins. Rule number 5, starve your cheap desires. A strict dopamine detox. No instant gratification, no junk food, no temporary comforts. If it makes you feel good for an hour but ruins your next morning, it has no place in your shadow. Rule number 6, rebuild the shattered temple. Train your body until sweat washes away your self-doubt. Run in the dark when no one is watching. Lift the heavy weights. Physical pain in the gym is the only medicine that can cure mental suffering. Rule number 7, master your craft in the shadows. While they are sleeping, drinking, and wasting their youth, you sit under a single light and master a high-value skill. Build a business, study finance, or learn an art. Let your progress remain a secret until your success makes the noise. Rule number 8, forgive the ghost of your past. The people who broke you will probably never apologize. Forgive them anyway, not for them, but to unchain your own heart. Carrying resentment into the dark is like carrying a backpack full of stones while trying to swim. Rule number 9, fall in love with the boredom. Real transformation is not an exciting movie. It is boring, repetitive, and exhausting. It is doing the same painful things every single day without seeing immediate results. Trust the process even when it hurts. Rule number 10, plan the unrecognizable return. 6 months from now, you will walk back into the light. You don't need to explain where you were. Your posture, your focus, and the calm power in your eyes will be the only answer they get. Let them talk. Let them assume you failed. Let them think you are gone forever. Tomorrow the world will look for the old you, but tonight you become a ghost. It is time to bloom from the dark.